Okay, so now I'm gonna keep going with the threading. Okay, so 3 loops, and then both sides skinny, and then one side gets stretches. So let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'm kind of experimenting with closing my eye. If I close that eye, it makes it hard to see. When it picks up the skin like that, I'm scared it's gonna like twist off my skin or something. But I don't know if it would or not. The hazards of threading. Like when those hairs are popping out, I can feel them like falling on my face. It's kind of weird. That's one nice thing about like sugaring, is that the sugar picks up the wild hairs, so you don't have hairs flying everywhere. But I guess this would be similar to like tweezing your hairs, except you get a bunch in one swipe. And it might be easier to shape and get those finer hairs. Okay. Whew. Kind of is a workout. Okay, so I'm just kind of... This side I'm finding is a little more challenging for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Let me see if I can... So I want the side there, and then I want to tweeze up. Huh. Yeah, that side's more challenging for me for sure. Whew. Give my arms a little break. I tell you that. It's definitely a workout. Okay. I guess this is why it's nicer to have someone else do it for you. You pay someone like $10 or $15 and you get your brows threaded. But really, like, if I got good at it, I mean, you think like the cost of thread is like nothing. So that's your only cost, is cost of thread and of course your time. Okay, I'm gonna keep going and show you the next part.